My name is Guri Højgaard and I'm the director at Visit Faroe Islands. A few weeks ago, we had to ask tourists to not visit our 18 small islands because of the coronavirus. This was a difficult but necessary decision. Thank you all for understanding. Now that we don't have any tourists in the Faroe Islands, we have a lot of extra time on our hands. So we thought that we would give those of you who couldn't visit as planned and everyone else a chance to visit the Faroe Islands through us. We will be fitted with a camera and give everyone access to control us using their mobile phone. When you press forward, we move forward. When you press left, we turn left. And when you press jump, well, we jump. Each trip will begin in a new location, and as a virtual tourist, you can ride, sail, and even control a helicopter. So you can literally sit at home and control a helicopter in the Faroe Islands. Where we end up is up to you, as long as you keep us out of harm's way. You can take a free virtual trip at visitfaroeislands.com or follow our adventures on Facebook and Instagram Live. In the meantime, we look forward to welcoming you back to the Faroe Islands in real life.